Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to cancel eBay listing. Let's get started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you have logged in, tap on selling icon in bottom right corner. Tap on it and this will open your selling section. In your selling section, tap on active listing. Right now the listing is not visible on the app, so we have to go to the website. For that, scroll down and go to the learn more. Now tap on any browser that you prefer. I'm using Edge over here. Now scroll down and go to start selling on eBay. Tap on start selling over here. Here I only have a draft, but if you have active listing, you will see it over here. Now I don't have any active listing right now, but I will guide you through the process. Once you find the active listing, tap on it. Here you will see the items you have currently listed for the sale. Now find the listing that you want to cancel and click on the checkbox next to it. Once you have selected the listing, click on the End Listing button at the bottom of the page. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. Click End Listing again to confirm. Your listing will now be cancelled and the item will no longer appear for the sale. And that's how we can cancel an eBay listing. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.